Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the file and positioning the two pages so you can work quickly. This avoids back and forth. Select the frame or object you want to become interactive, and make sure it has a clear name so you can find it later. Once selected, switch to the Prototype tab, set interaction to on-click or hover as needed, and choose Navigate to. This first actionable step creates the connection skeleton between your chosen source and the target frame or page. Once the basic link exists, refine how it behaves so users understand context. You pick a trigger, on-click is common, but hover or drag can be useful for tooltips and panels. Then choose the navigation type. Navigate to for full page jumps, open overlay for modal-like content, or swap with for component swaps. Use back for return flows. Finally, set animation, duration in milliseconds, and easing so transitions feel intentional and readable, which reduces confusion during testing and handoff. You finish by testing everything in present mode and walking the full flow just like a user. Make sure each click lands where you expect. If content appears offset, adjust auto-scroll, pinning, or frame constraints and rerun the preview. Once satisfied, tidy your layers and confirm target frames are not inside hidden groups. If a link seems broken, check that the connection exists in Prototype, that frames aren't nested incorrectly, and that names didn't duplicate causing the wrong target.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.